Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Wifiblast review. So if you've been looking for a quick way to patch up dead zones in your home for internet here, well, in this case, let's sit down and talk about Wi-Fi Blast wireless repeater. Now, what is Wi-Fi Blast here? Now, Wi-Fi Blast range extender is a compact wall plug dietary style network accessory. Now, its main job is to expand the physical coverage area of your existing wireless network. Now, it does this by catching the active Wi Fi signal being transmitted by your main home router, amplifying the signal internally, and then rebroadcasting it into nearby areas like bedrooms, backyards, or basements where your interconnection is normally weak or non existent. So, what does it actually offer? Now, in this case, if you are going to check their official website here or their special official product specification, the Wi-Fi Blast comes with several key functional design features. Well, according to them. So first is they have wireless speeds. The device supports wireless and network transfer speeds up to like 300 Mbps to on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band. Now they do have dual function modes here. It can be configured in two distinct modes. Repeater mode is used to amplify and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal, and they also have alternatively AP or access point mode allows you to connect it directly to an internet source to create a band of a new Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, they also have the WPS1 button setup, so the hardware features physical WPS button designed for quick encrypted pairing with compatible home routers without typing passwords. They also have Ethernet LAN port, so integrated RJ45 Ethernet port allows you to connect a wired device such as a smart TV, gaming console, or desktop computer directly to the booster. They do also have a compact design. It features a cordless compact block style design that plugs directly into any standard wall outlet, meaning it stays out of sight and doesn't take up counter space. And they do provide universal compatibility according to them. Now, the system is designed to comply with standard I triple E 802.11b or G or N protocol, so meaning it is built to function with any standard Wi-Fi router on the market. Now, as for the actual availability here, well, it is widely available through online marketplaces and third-party import platforms. Now, depending on where you're buying it, the pricing may fluctuate. And in some cases, you can actually buy one for around $49, and you can actually save more if you buy additional devices as well. If you want to basically like have more connectivity in your house, you could buy more obviously, and you'll be able to save more. But in some cases, in some websites, they would have this a lot cheaper. Again, depending on where you're buying it. Now, typically, the usage or for a way for you to use the Wi-Fi is pretty much easy. You just plug it in, and just follow the instructions provided with the device itself when you actually receive it. Now, if you want to buy it, you can just click on the buy now button or button here, or just check it out in the platform of your choosing. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and share button and watch our next video.